Welcome to this tutorial on restoring a page from a previous version on your WordPress website. In this guide you will learn how to reverse unwanted changes quickly in about 5 minutes. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the WordPress homepage loads, locate the login option positioned in the top right corner of the screen. This is your first step toward accessing your account and managing your website content. After clicking on the login area, you will be presented with several options for authentication. In this instance, you should choose the method that says Continue with Google. Select this option and a list of your Google accounts will appear. Carefully select the account associated with your WordPress website. This method not only streamlines the login experience but also ensures your account remains secure since it leverages your trusted Google credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, you will land on your WordPress dashboard. Look for a section commonly referred to as Quick Links. Within this area, there is a tool labeled Edit Site. Clicking on this link will take you to the site editing interface where you have the ability to make changes and review previous versions of your content. Now that you are in the site editor, shift your focus to the top right corner of the interface. There you will observe a right panel that contains various editing options and functionalities designed to assist you in managing your site revisions. Among these options, locate the link within the revision section. The revision link is an essential part of restoring your page because it presents all the historic versions of the site. Clicking on the revision link will display a list of revisions that have been automatically saved over time. After you click the revision link and see the list of available revisions, you will notice a scroller tool that makes navigation through versions very simple. Using this scroller, you can move through the timeline of revisions until you find the version of the page that you wish to recover. The revisions are typically identifiable by date and time or other markers, which makes it easier to choose the correct version. Take your time to carefully select the appropriate revision that matches the previous state of your page. Once you have pinpointed the desired revision, the next step is to restore it. To do so, simply click on the option labeled Restore this revision. By activating this command, WordPress initiates the process of reverting your page back to the exact state saved at that earlier point in time. This reliable feature ensures that any unwanted changes or mistakes can be effortlessly undone. Following the restoration process, review your page thoroughly to confirm that it reflects the previous version as intended. This method of reverting your web page is particularly useful when recent edits have led to unexpected issues, or when you decide to undo changes that did not work out as planned. Taking advantage of the built-in revision control system guarantees that your website remains consistent and accurately reflects your vision. By following these steps, from logging in with your Google account to adjusting the revision scroller and restoring the desired version, you have mastered the simple yet effective method to manage and recover your website content. Using these built-in WordPress tools will save you time and prevent potential disruptions to your online presence. Enjoy the process and feel confident in maintaining a well-managed website that meets your standards.